Affiliate marketing is a great way to make extra income online. And now you can do it sustainably. Let's take a look at what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can do it and make money and make a difference at the same time. Let's start with a blank canvas. Affiliate marketing helps businesses reach customers. Let's imagine a business has this amazing product, and the business wants to reach their customer. Sometimes businesses need a little help with reaching customers. Customers ignore ads a lot, but they pay attention to authentic voices. This is where affiliates come in. They produce content and post it online, and they introduce their followers or readers to the brand and the products. So the affiliate refers the customer to the brand. The brand ships the product to the customer, and the affiliate gets credit for the introduction and gets paid. It's a win, win, win. It's that simple. When you sign up to be an affiliate, companies like us that have an affiliate program will give you a unique link or code. When you tell people about the brand and they use that link, the traffic gets attributed to you and the company pays you. You've probably seen affiliate links all over the place without even realizing it. Here's an example. See that long link that appears when you hover over the word Teemill? That's an affiliate link. Now, the great thing about affiliate marketing is that it's really flexible. You can use any platform you want to find an audience that might be interested in the business you're promoting. Try integrating it into a YouTube video where you could review the product and discuss the pros and cons. Or you could make a fun TikTok about it, join in the trends, or even do a TikTok dance. You don't really have to be a good dancer. If we stop and think about it, sharing recommendations, pictures, words, social media, these are already things you know how to do. You're probably doing them every single day. It's just sharing things online. The only difference is with an affiliate marketing account, you make money doing it. And because affiliate marketing is ultimately about recommendations, the more authentic the recommendation, the more successful the results. This is why everyday people just getting started are often the best at affiliate marketing. If you're genuine, people will listen to you. And it's also why it's important to choose an affiliate program that truly aligns with your values. So how can you do affiliate marketing sustainably? Affiliate marketing is so popular because it's so accessible, but it's not always great for the environment. More often than not, products being promoted will end up in landfill. If you're going to do this, it's not just about making money. It'd be nice to make a difference too, right? At Teemill, we've built a platform that helps people start and grow brands in a sustainable way. We're certified carbon neutral since all the energy that powers our factories and even our servers is renewable. All our clothes are made from natural materials, and they're designed from the start to be sent back and remade into new clothing once they're worn out. Which is just as well, considering that 81% of customers say they prefer to buy eco-friendly products. And yet there's very little choice when it comes to sustainable products, let alone sustainable platforms like Teemill. If you're looking at this affiliate program and you think you've spotted a gap in the market, you're not wrong. And if our demonstration showed us anything, it's that it's much easier to guide people to products that they want rather than try to sell them something they don't. Now, usually in affiliate marketing, you promote a product and you don't get paid until somebody buys it. So someone has to spend money in order for you to make money. With Teemill, when someone signs up and launches a successful store, you get paid. The difference is Teemill is completely free to use. People can sign up, make their products and launch their store and make sales for completely free. And once they're up and running, they make money and you make money too. Once you log into our affiliate program, you'll find loads of assets to help you out. Marketing materials, tips, tutorials, and content to download and share. So it doesn't matter if you've never done this before. Everything you need to succeed as an affiliate is built into our platform. And you can do it all from your phone. It really doesn't get much easier. So if you'd like to use your time online to make money and make a difference, click the link below and sign up to our affiliate marketing program. We would love to have you on board. and subscribe for more content on making money online sustainably. See you next time.